loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing a crochet braid tutorial using a really new braid pattern, and this braid pattern is really nice and it helps with like parting your hair anyhow you like it. This will be a start to finish video and I'll be using the Jamaican Bounce crochet braid hair. Let's get started. So first things first, we're going to start by braiding the hair, and this is how I part the hair. I don't go all the way down because at the end you're going to see me connect all the braids together. And just like you normally cornrow, just cornrow the hair till you get to that part. I would say about 1/3 of the whole head, like so. And just continue doing it throughout the rest of the head till you get to the other side. So it's up to you to decide if you want to braid the hair all the way to the tip. As you can see in this video, I'm not doing that because I'm going to connect the braids really soon. And what I'm going to do right now is just cornrow the hair, take all the edges, cornrow the hair all the way around, like so. So as you can see, as I'm braiding, I'm taking one more strand, braiding, take one more strand till you get all the way to the end. After I get to the other side, I'm going to go ahead and part my hair because I'm going to connect everything and start to braid in a circular motion like you're going to see soon. So all I'm going to keep doing is, parting the hair because we're going to be toweling into the middle of the hair. So as you keep going, you keep parting, going in circles till you get to the very middle. If you guys would like a more step-by-step tutorial on how to braid and do this braid pattern, let me know down below. I'll do a more, in-depth and focused video on it. But if not, just keep watching. all done with braiding. It's a little messy, but it's cool because this is crochet braids and all that hair is going to cover all of that. So let's get to the fun part. And I'm gonna do it twice in slow motion before I speed things up. Let's get to it. So first things first, when you get the hair, you can choose to split it or not split it. If you want a really frizzy, messy look, you can split it. My friend in this case did not want it to be split. She wanted the full, juicy, bouncy, big curls. So when you get your hair, you're gonna take your crochet needle and you're gonna put your crochet needle with a closed latch under your braid. And then you're gonna open the latch, hook the hair through, close your latch, and you're gonna pull it through the braid. And when that happens, you're gonna just twist it once or twice and pull the whole hair through the loop. That's it. So let's do it again in slow motion. So once you get your hair, you're gonna put your crochet needle under your braid. Make sure the latch is closed when you put it under the braid the first time. Then now you're gonna open it and hook the hair on the latch, close the latch, and pull it under the braid. And all you're gonna do now is twist it once or twice. I normally do it once and just pull it through. I do it once with this kind of hair because it's thick and it stays sturdy, but there are some softer crochet styles that might need like extra twists and loops. But this is very easy to do. Once is okay and that's it. So what I'm doing here before I continue is I'm just taking that loose end and I'm just crocheting it through the braid just to hide it and keep it out the way while I crochet the rest of the hair. You're just taking your crochet needle and hooking it up and pulling it through the braid until it's all taken up by the hair, like you see in the video. When I do crochet braids, I like to start from the outer areas, as you're gonna see in this video, just because as you go along, you get to know like where to put the next hair and it helps it lay better in my opinion. So I like to start around the edges, even in the front area. I start on the sides and then I work my way in. So when I get to the front, I'm doing exactly the same thing. Because of the hair texture of this hair, you really don't need the invisible part method. And also because my friend wanted to be able to part this hair anyhow she likes it. And because of that reason, I didn't do invisible part method. But if you would like to see how I do that, definitely go check out the videos I'm going to link down below and at the top of this video. I did a hair similar to this hairstyle. It's called Cuevana Bounce, where I did a video on how I did the invisible part method. So go check that out if you really want to see how I do the invisible part method. But keep watching. I just have to give a quick shout out to my friend you see in this video. Jumi, thank you so much. You were amazing. Thank you for letting me record this whole process. And y'all, isn't she gorgeous? She is slaying this hair to the T. Smile, everything. Oh my God. Thumbs up for that, y'all. She deserves a thumbs up in general. Like, she is just killing it. Girl, you better work. that concludes this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. Make sure you thumbs this video up if you love it. Make sure you're subscribed and your notification bell is turned on. And once again, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye. Love you.